The Breitling Wingwalkers performed a series of aerial stunts on Wednesday on a pair of Breitling liveried 1930s Boeing Stearman biplanes. The Wingwalker girls climb up on top of the wings of the planes after takeoff, enduring high speed and high G-forces. The girls also perform their own gymnastic routine during the flight whilst combating 100-mile-an-hour forces. The Breitling Wingwalkers display is part of the 2014 UIM Skydive Dubai XCAT World Powerboating Series, taking place on Friday and Saturday in front of the Dubai International Marine Club. The Breitling branded planes were originally used as training planes during the Second World War, but were later pressed into service as crop dusters and general utility aircraft. They have since been uprated from 220 horsepower to 450 horsepower to allow the planes to do more acrobatic manoeuvres.